Here's how to apply a UVWorks multi-level sticker. What makes this sticker multi-level is a combination of matte finish and gloss finish. This creates a 3D effect on selected areas. So here's how to apply a multi-level sticker, minimizing the chance of getting any bubbles. Before applying any UVWorks sticker, ensure the surface is clean from dust. Apply one end first, keeping the other side lifted. The elevated side should stay elevated for the entire period of the application. Slowly apply the sticker from one side to another. Take particular care at areas with multi-level, as this is the area where air bubbles can occur. Ensure you press down on the lower level first before moving on, and not just slide over the higher levels. When you focus on the higher levels only is when you get the lower levels getting bubbles. Once you're finished, go over the edges so you can get a nice seal. The rounded edges are the best place to pull from to keep the sticker in place. Take your time ripping the laminate layer off to keep it together, as well as avoid any unnecessary lift and damage on the fresh sticker. The varnish we use to create that gloss finish is intentionally height controlled to ensure a great 3D finish, but not so much it becomes hard to apply. And that's the trick to applying a multi-level sticker without bubbles.